We'll see. Jesse Rugeo says, I'm Jesse in Texas. And welcome, Jesse. I don't think I've seen you before, so welcome. I'm a PhD student. I want to master data analysis for research purposes. Do I still need to follow a data science career path? At the moment, I use SPSS, Data, and now learning R. Okay. I was going to ask you about R, right? Because people in your situation are usually aficionados of R. And that's okay, because that's kind of like where R started, right? R is more of like a scientific and academic tool. I don't think you need to have like a full-blown data science career path. I mean, Jesse, feel free to let us know more in the chat, but I'm guessing that your PhD studies are not in data science, right? They're in another discipline. But you want to know just enough data analysis for your research and your studies, right? So no, I don't think that you would need a full-blown data science career path. Analytics, yeah, you might want to look into some analytics studies, like some dedicated analytics courses. That's going to get you a really far way, right? And then from there, maybe like some regression methods or things like that, right? And I'm not implying that regression methods are any less powerful. They're just easier to understand and usually more applicable to research work. So that's what I would look at. But no, I don't think you need a full data science program. And the packages you mentioned are totally standard for what you do.